Next step is to take a impact wrench with the appropriate size Allen head, and you back off your set screws. And then you use one of the set screws to separate the pulley, just like that. Okay, you should be able to fully disassemble and remove the motor pulley. Okay, when assembling the motor pulley to the motor shaft and aligning the bearing house pulling, you'll want to insert your taper lock bushing inside of the motor pulley and tighten up the Allen set screws to give yourself enough play so the taper lock fits over the motor shaft. You install onto the motor shaft. Once you get it set, you'll want to go ahead and hand tighten the set screws. Keep the taper lock from moving. Gives you ability to move the pulley in and out. You'll take your straight edge with the flat surface of your motor pulley here and the outside surface of your motor pulley. We call that a bearing. Which will want the straight edge to be in contact with all three surfaces, both sides of the motor pulley and that inside surface of the bearing house assembly pulley. Once you make your minor adjustments, you will want to gently tap and move approximately 1/32 of an inch in. This allows the set screws to pull the pulley and the taper lock together, bringing the pulley back into alignment. This is best done with a impact wrench and your Allen screws. Once appropriately tightened, you recheck your alignment. You should have no visible light, and all three surfaces should be aligned and flush with your level.